In today's video, we are giving away 3 lip tints from Skin Goddess. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Sup fam, Vince Gonzales here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to review another GlowFam baby brand. Siguro by now alam niyo na kung bakit GlowFam baby brand siya. Para dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, GlowFam baby brand siya kasi yung brand owner ng products na i-review natin today is actually a member of the GlowFam community. Sobrang excited ko na and all out yung support na binibigay ko sa mga local brands na halos kaka-start pa lang. So the brand that I'm talking about is none other than Skin Goddess. I'd like to give a special shout out to the brand owner of Skin Goddess, Hubert Ivan. So yeah, we have 3 tints to try on today. So if you guys are interested, what are you waiting for? Let's glow! Now let's dive in GlowFam. We're gonna start with the swatches. Now GlowFam, those are all the swatches ng mga powdery matte tints ng Skin Goddess. Now I want to show you guys the PR package. So I got this PR package like a week ago ata, and sobrang cute lang niya. This one contains 3 powdery matte tints from Skin Goddess, and when we open this up, meron siya ditong congratulatory message and meron siyang list ng social media accounts nila. You guys can follow them on Instagram at SkinGoddess9, Facebook Skin Goddess with the hashtag #LoveYourSkinGang. Meron siyang dalawang information card, meron siyang scrunchie, and meron ditong crepe paper na my Skin Goddess sticker. I think it's simple and I like it. So the first card is with my picture on it. Medyo matagal na tong picture na to and iba na yung hair ko ngayon. It says here, congratulations, welcome to our family, Skin Goddess fam. You are now an official and first ever brand ambassador. We're thankful to have you and be working with us. First ever brand ambassador nila ako. Woo! Yung pressure talaga nandun talaga sa pinakataas eh. GlowFam nakalagay din dito na you can use the code GoddessVince if you guys wanted to avail 10% off your purchases. So yeah, cool, meron tayong discount code. On the other information card nakalagay dito, Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tint has 3 shades. Those are Enga, Paul, and Queen. It's pigmented, it's blendable, it's made with love, it's handmade, it's lightweight, it's universal, it's affordable. Sabi dito, 200 pesos for 3 tints. Pero yung SRP niya is 100 pesos per tint. So kung gusto niyo makatipid, then if you want to get 3 tints, you can get those for only 200 pesos. Before we even start with the shades, I want to give you guys a disclaimer na medyo magkakaiba yung itsura ng tint sa labi ko at sa labi nyo. Bakit? Dahil iba't ibang tao, may iba't ibang undertone ng lip, may iba't ibang texture ng lip. So pwedeng sa akin medyo mas dark and mag-appear sa inyo na mas light. When you're buying tints, take that into consideration. That is the reason why I did these hand swatches for you guys. The first shade that we're gonna talk about is the Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tint in the shade Paul. This is how the shade looks like. It is a light terracotta brown shade. At first, medyo na-intimidate ako dun sa parang terracotta brown shade nung initial swatch ko dito sa shade na Paul. But then kanina actually, first time ko siya itry sa lips ko and it turned out so beautiful. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung shade talaga. Given the fact na yung opacity ng mga powdery matte tints ng Skin Goddess is around 60 to 70%, if your lip tint ranges from that specific percentage ng opacity, ang mangyayari is yung undertone ng lip tint is magmimix or magbe-blend sa undertone ng lips mo. And kanina nung ginagawa ko yung lip swatches, sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga yung itsura ng kulay na kinalabasan nung pinaghalo ko yung fall and yung undertone ng lip ko. So this one, I like it a lot. The next shade that we're gonna talk about is the Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tint in the shade Queen. This is actually the shade that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and this is how the shade looks like. Queen is definitely a straight up brick red shade, and sobrang gustong gusto ko tong kulay na to. Sobrang obsessed ako sa mga brick red shade colors. Brick red shade kasi is like a red mixed with a little hint of orange undertone. And dahil nga ako medyo neutral yung undertone ng skin ko, I like wearing lippies na medyo merong warm undertone. It gives back yung warmth ng face ko. Kasi if I wear something na medyo cool tone, yes, mas magmumukhang fresh yung face ko. Pero pag sumusuot kasi ako ng mga warm tone, parang nagiging buhay na buhay yung itsura ng face ko, and I like that. Pag nagsusuot naman ako ng merong mga gray undertone, hindi masyadong nagko-complement sa face ko dun sa undertone ng skin ko. So of all three shades, I think Queen is my favorite shade. Sobrang ganda nitong shade na to. I'm wearing it on a gradient lip right now. You don't need a lot. It looks so nice. I'm looking at the monitor right now. Sobrang ganda ng kulay ng tint na to. The last shade that we're going to talk about is the Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tint in the shade Enga. This is how the shade looks like. This is also under the terracotta brown family, but this one is mixed with a little bit of orange undertone. This shade looks really nice. It's on a warm tone side, pero hindi siya perfectly nagmix with the undertone of my lip. Parang nung suot ko to kanina, parang nagmukhang super MLBB na parang I'm not wearing any lipstick. For other people, that might work if they wanted to achieve that very flat, neutral look lang talaga, yung they want to have one solid color on the lip. Pero on my personal taste kasi, I like wearing something na parang at least magpa-pop yung redness ng lip mo. For me kasi parang that signifies life. Parang nagpo-flow talaga yung blood dun sa blood vessels ng lips mo. That's why I prefer wearing tints na merong a little bit of red undertone on it. This one is also nice, but it's not what I prefer for myself. Now, GlowFam, itry natin kung transfer-proof ba tong lip tint na to. Hindi siya nag-transfer dun sa back ng hand ko dahil very minimal lang yung nilagay ko, pero I'm sure if you put a lot, then definitely meron siyang tendency mag-transfer. I'm looking at the claims right now. Wala naman siyang claims na budge-proof, pero i-budge-proof test din natin siya. Hindi siya masyadong kumakalat, so medyo semi-budge-proof siya, pero medyo humawa lang ng konti sa kamay ko. Now, let's go back dun sa claims ng powdery matte tints ng Skin Goddess. Buildable, yes, definitely. Nakita nyo naman kanina. I started off with a gradient lip, tapos pinatuwang ko siya with a full-on lip. Doon natin na-test how buildable this is. Yes, definitely. Sabi dito, it lasts up to 3 to 4 hours. Given the opacity of 60 to 70%, I would agree to this. This would last up to 3 to 4 hours lang. You might have to retouch if you want to wear it longer. Pero you know what? Sobrang na-appreciate ko to. Hindi ko to usually nakita sa mga claims ng lip tints. Pero at least sobrang honest nila na 3 to 4 hours, then may possibility mabura yung lip tint mo and you have to reapply. Very nice. Pigmented, yes, definitely pigmented. Kapag binild up mo yung pigment, again, opacity niya is 60 to 70%. So meron pa rin siyang tendency na yung undertone ng lip tint mo is mag-mix dun sa undertone ng lips mo. Blendable, definitely, I would agree to this. Kasi kanina, di ba, nung nag-budge-proof test tayo, medyo kumapit siya dun sa kamay ko. That means you can still blend out this one. If you guys can see, meron tayong solid line dito, and let's try to blend that out kung mabablend pa siya ng maayos. And yeah, I can see na bumababa yung kulay. So yes, definitely blendable pa rin siya kahit nag-dry up na siya. It's made with love. Gustong-gusto ko yon. It's handmade. That's nice. It's lightweight. I would agree to this as well kasi it feels like I'm not wearing any lip tint right now. Pero yes, mararamdaman mo yung pagka-powdery powdery matte niya, pero it's not making your lips dry, like Sahara Desert dry talaga. What I'm feeling right now is sobrang lambot pa rin ng lips ko, pero mararamdaman mo na matte yung dating niya. Universal, I would definitely agree to this kasi yung shade choices niya, yes, tatlong shades lang siya, pero this one covers up a lot of different Filipino skin tones and very wearable talaga yung kulay, very trendy and sobrang nice talaga. Last but not the least, it says here it's affordable, 200 for 3 tints, so that ranges from approximately 60 plus pesos. I reckon that the price range is very standard if you're gonna compare that to the lip tint market that we have here in the Philippines, so very acceptable siya. Now let's talk about the packaging and the component of the product. When I got these products, naka-airtight seal siya, that's all I'm asking for. I just wanted to make sure that it's not contaminated, it's safe from bacteria. If we're gonna talk about the component of the product, it's on a standard lip tint container. It has an off-white lid, and this one is made from acrylic, so hindi siya basta-basta mababasag. Meron siya ditong wraparound sticker, nakalagay lang Skin Goddess and SG. Nakalagay din Powdery Matte Tint. You will see the shade name at the bottom. This one contains 3 ml worth of products and it's good for 12 months from the open date, which is very standard sa mga lip tints. The only thing that I'm looking for is yung list ng ingredients niya. You guys know na very particular ako sa mga products. Dapat talaga meron siyang list of ingredients. If not on the component itself, it should come with an information card with the list of ingredients para we can avoid any hazards in the future. Kasi if one customer is allergic on a certain type of ingredient that the product contains, that might lead into an allergic reaction, and we don't want any of that to happen. If we're gonna talk about the product availability, the Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tints are available through their Shopee account. You guys can type in Skin Goddess with just one S at the end, or kung ayaw nyo pahirapan yung sarili nyo, I'll just put the link on the description box down below. Again, the Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tints retails for 100 pesos each, pero if you want to buy 3, you can get these for only 200 pesos. Overall verdict ko about the Powdery Matte Tints ng Skin Goddess, wala akong issue sa component niya, hindi madaling mabasag, yun lang yung importante sa akin. I just really need the list of ingredients ng mga products na ginagamit ko on my lips and on my face as well. If we're gonna talk about the formula, yes, perfect talaga. It's very lightweight, it's not drying, it's not sticky, it's buildable. I'm not complaining about anything. Talking about the shade selection, I think perfect yung shade selection niya. Yes, meron lang silang tatlong shades, pero these 3 shades are very wearable and would fit any Filipina skin tone. So yes, definitely yung shades na Paul and yung Queen magsistay to dito sa top shelf ko. Itong shade na Enga, the shade looks really nice as well, pero it doesn't work on the undertone of my lip. So yeah, those are all the information about the Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tint. Ano yung favorite shade nyo? What do you guys think? Sound off below. Before we even end the video, I want to let you guys know that there will be 2 winners ng Skin Goddess Powdery Matte Tints. So each winner will get 3 pieces ng Powdery Matte Tints from Skin Goddess. So if you guys are interested, all you need to do is to check on the mechanics of the giveaway. It's on the description box below. I-check nyo na yun and make sure na sumali kayo sa giveaway na to. Again, thank you so much, Hubert Ivan, for trusting me, for choosing me to be your very first brand ambassador. It's really my pleasure. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Vince Gonzales here, and I'll see you on the next one.